In today's video, I'm doing a collective review of Artius Man with the Beard Trend group. Each and every one of us got a different product from Artius Man to try out, and we're just kind of reviewing them together as a group to tell you guys everything you need to know about Artius Man. I put a link in the description down below to all the other guys' videos that have already been posted this week, as well as I'm going to toss them into a playlist so it's easy for you guys to find. So check out my video playlist to see all the other videos on the Artius Man products for the Beard Trend group. Now, the one really awesome thing I'm going to tell you guys about too is we're going to have a live stream next week. It's going to be on Saturday the 28th, I believe. Follow me on Instagram in case any of that changes. It's just instagram.com/BeardyVlogger with a B. I'll toss that in here for you guys. And yeah, so what we're gonna have on that day is we're gonna do a live stream. There may or may not be giveaways, I'm not sure yet, but we are definitely gonna have a 30% discount code that we're launching for you guys that's gonna be available for only 3 or 4 days, so you definitely want to take advantage of that. So if you want details on the live stream, again, follow me on Instagram, and I'll have all the details there for you guys once we've decided whose channel we're going to be having the live stream on. So the product that I've been trying out this week is the Artius Man Mountain Air scent. Now this one is one that I've actually used multiple times. This beard oil from this company, I've purchased this particular scent from this company more than any other scent, any other product from any other company. So I believe this is now, like, Artius Man sent me out this bottle for free for this review, but this is now like my 5th or 6th bottle that I've used with them, and then there's really no other scent that even comes close to that. That's how much I like this scent. So if you're gonna be purchasing Artius Man beard oils, you want to try them out for the first time, I strongly encourage you guys to try this Artius Man Mountain Air. It's just a very nice, fresh scent. Their beard oils are super thick. Just gonna pour some in here. I mean, all oils are kind of runny when you go like that, but you can just, as soon as you rub it in the palm of your hand, you can feel that it's a very, very thick oil. I find for myself in the wintertime especially, and with winter coming up now, it's going to be important to get something like this. I definitely find that in the winter time, these thicker oils tend to do a much better job at keeping my beard hydrated, keeping the skin underneath healthy, so that you know, my beard, my face, my skin doesn't get itchy. So this product goes for $14.95 on their website, which is an amazing deal for a beard oil this quality. The ingredients in this one are castor seed oil, sunflower seed oil, jojoba oil, jade seed oil, argan oil, baobab seed oil, vitamin E, cedarwood, patchouli, cypress, and peppermint essential oils, and it's certified organic. One of the nice things about this company is they do have these sample packs that you can get to, because they do have a wide array of different scents. So they have these sample packs. You can get either a 5-pack sampler or a 10-pack sampler, or you can even buy individual samplers. This is the kind of company that has like everything that you'll really ever want for your beard. You know, they have oils, they have balms. I don't think they have butters yet, but they do have shampoo and conditioner for your hair, as well as beard wash and co-wash for your beard. They have combs, they have brushes. So really, it is kind of a one-stop shop for anything beard related, and there's nothing that I've ever tried from these guys that I didn't thoroughly enjoy. Outside of the scent, there's some scents like campfire that I just really don't like. But in terms of the quality of the products, they're always on point. And Artius Man, if you've never tried them out, this is definitely a company that you want to try out, and this is definitely a beard oil in this scent Mountain Air that you would want to try out. If you're watching this video post October 1st, 2019, I do have a discount code that you guys can use. It's not 30%, it is 10%, but still better than not saving anything. I'm going to put that here for you guys, so you can use discount code BEARDY, all caps, for 10% off on anything from Artius Man on your first purchase. And I do get a small kickback for that. I get 10% of your purchase, and if you're going to do that, thank you so much. Those are the kind of things that help me you know, get better equipment so that I can make better videos for you guys, and also you know, be able to do more product giveaways and things like that. So thank you so much for doing that. Thanks for watching this video. Check out rdsman.com to make your first purchase. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Perfect.